Hey there, we have a LG V60 here, which I'll be doing a unboxing. I ordered it from AliExpress, so I see they gave me seems to be a case and a screen protector, which is nice. Don't have to buy that. And here is the box itself. It's very nice. Yeah, let's open it. Come on, get out. Oh, here is the phone. Looks very nice. So, here's the phone itself. I'll unpack it in a minute. Here is the documentation or manual or whatever. We don't care about that, do we? Here is the USB-C cable, USB-A to USB-C. Charger, supposed to be a fast charger. You'll see that. And here are the earphones and the SIM eject tool. Here is the phone. Stick it up to the wrapper. Still has the protective turn it on. So here goes this. So this was my unboxing of a LG V60 ThinQ, and hopefully you like it, and maybe I'll do a review on it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.